Welcome to the February Mystery Box Challenge Awards. Tonight's nominees in every single category are Christina from Christina Elizabeth, Courtney from Creative on the Cheap, Jamie, the crafty DIY guy, Jennifer from Little Bit of Common Crazy, Kelly from Kelly Barlow Creations, Tracy from Country Charm by Tracy, Val from Auntie Cuckoo, and Whitney from Whiskey and Wet. And now, please welcome your host, me, Courtney from Creative on the Cheap.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. You are too kind. Welcome to the awards show where we are going to be giving out awards to a group of crafters who send mysterious boxes full of random items and then they DIY with it. So let's get this party started. The first award is the Ruthie Award, also maybe known as the Ruthless Award, and that's going to go to the person who sent the hardest challenge item. Now, you all know the nominees. They're the same for every single category. So let's find out who our winner is of the Ruthie Award. It goes to Christina from Christina Elizabeth. Here is your nifty little prize. Now, Christina could not be here tonight, so I will accept this on her behalf. I'm sure she would like to thank Area 51 because without them, there would be no alien toys. Congratulations, Christina. The next award is the Caterpillar Award. This is going to go to the crafter who did the best transformation of an object in the box. The winner of the Caterpillar Award, which I did this upside down, is Kelly from Kelly Barlow Creations. Here is Kelly's award. She's also not able to be here tonight. I will accept it on her behalf, and I'm sure she would like to thank all of the caterpillars, the butterflies, the ugly ducklings, and the swans out there. Good job, Kelly. The next award up is the Twist and Shout Award. That is going to be the award for the crafter who did the best DIY using the twist. The twist was to make a DIY with the arrows, and the winner of the Twist and Shout Award goes to Whitney from Whiskey and Wit. Here is Whitney's prize. Looks like another no-show, so I will gladly accept it on her behalf. I'm sure if she were here, she would like to thank the Backstreet Boys, although I'm not really sure why, because NSYNC is way better. But anyway, here's to Whitney. It's her speech. She'd like to thank the Backstreet Boys. Congratulations, Whitney. Next up is the Fearless Award. That's going to go to the crafter who did the best DIY with a challenge item. The Fearless Award goes to Kelly from Kelly Barlow Creations. Here's Kelly's award. Again, not able to be here tonight. I will accept on her behalf. I'm sure she'd like to thank Dollar Tree for making alien toys. The next award is the People's Choice Award. This is going to go to the crafter who had the overall most favorite DIY of all the voters. So tonight, the People's Choice Award goes to Whitney from Whiskey and Wit. Here is Whitney's award. Again, she is not able to be here. I will gladly accept on her behalf. I'm sure Whitney would like to thank all of the people who voted for her and probably also People Magazine. Congratulations, Whitney. And now we're down to the big three. We're down to first, second, and third place. This is going to be the awards for the crafters who did the best overall job making DIYs with their box. So starting with third place, also known as the Bronze Brush Award, that goes to Val from Auntie Cuckoo. Here is Val's Bronze Brush Award. She's unable to be here tonight. I will accept on her behalf, and I am sure that she would like to thank paintbrushes, because without them, how can she craft? So there we go. Bronze Brush Award for Val. Congratulations. And now moving in to the second place winner who will win the Silver Scissors Award. That goes to Whitney from Whiskey and Wit. Here is Whitney's Silver Scissors Award. I will gladly accept it on her behalf. If she were here, I'm sure she would want to thank the scissors manufacturers out there, along with the person who invented the game Rock, Paper, Scissors, because who doesn't like to shoot the scissors? Congratulations, Whitney. And now we are down to the first place winner. This is the Golden Glue Gun Award. It goes to the person who was voted as the crafter who did the best job overall using their box to make DIYs. And the winner of the Golden Glue Gun Award is Kelly from Kelly Barlow Creations. Here is Kelly's Golden Glue Gun Award. I will gladly accept on her behalf. I know she would like to start off her speech by thanking all of the glue manufacturers out there. Elmer's Glue, Hot Glue, E6000, it doesn't matter, Super Glue. She loves all glues the same. She'd also like to thank the TSA agent that pulled this out of her bag at the airport security to make sure everyone was safe. And finally, she would like to thank all of you who took the time to vote and voted for her. Kelly did a great job with your box. Congratulations, Kelly. This is very well deserved. And that's going to wrap up the February Mystery Box Challenge Award Show. Thank you so much to each and every one of you who took the time to vote, to leave your feedback. It means so much for all of us who create. We are so glad that you love the Mystery Box Challenge. If you have suggestions for voting categories that you would like to see in the next round of the Mystery Box, which is April, please drop them down below in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a great day. Bye.